Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce this hardcover making kit for bookbinding, DIY albums, and planners. Let's check out this kit. It includes 6 size T-bars. They are 5 mm, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 mm, and 6 rectangle bars. The size is the same as T-bars, but without a T-head. We see the size, the same size as T-bars, 6 pieces totally. And this one is for corner making. And this one is for corner and edges. This is a big one, but they are same sections. Now I choose some hardcovers to give ideas about this kit can do. For this one was made by this kit with very hard and thick cardboard. It can make us customized book cover or add in pages to make albums and planners. Here are more I have made with different size. These are 2 sizes. With this kit, we can do any size of book cover. And we can use any style papers we favorite. And some people prefer to use fabric. It's also very nice. These are mini covers, very cute for pocket albums or small books. Here I show you this huge album. It was made by my designer Alina. It's a huge album for wedding. The size is 10" by 8" and the album span is 4 3/4 inches. It's very huge and heavy one. Let's see how fabulous inside. Many tags and in the pages. It's a really stunning album. It can contain many sweet photos and memories, but this huge album must use very strong and thick paper for covers. So today's kit is necessary tools for it. Okay, now let's start today's tutorial. Today I will teach you how to make this travel planner step by step. We can see this is also a big size and a hard cover. It can't do with metal dies. I add some inner pages inside. I didn't make huge numbers of pages because that wedding album must took Lina's huge time to complete it. We can add travel photos or memories on these pages, such as postcards, travel tickets. It must be very sweet. Okay, now let's see what we need for today's project. First, we need thick and strong cardboard. This one is 3 mm thickness. We need 3 pieces. And also we need big size design papers. This paper is 225 by 305 mm. And this paper is very beautiful. It's not thick, it's just a thin paper. We only need a thin paper for this. I also will use this kind of paper. This pattern is also very beautiful. I will use this too. And I need some paper card for in the pages. It's one chamois colors to match these patterns. And with pure surface, it's very beautiful. Also, I will use this big size double-sided tape. It is 12". Some people prefer to use glue. It is both okay for tapes or glue. I personally think this big size tape is very easy to use. Let's see. It's very nice and very sticky. here's all we will use in our tutorial. Okay, let's get started. We see the spine size is 4.5 cm. Then we lock this size onto the paper. This middle line, each side is 2.25 cm. We make the mark. And use 5 mm T-bar, this one, to get the gap size. Next to the first mark, and get the second mark. Okay, then we use corner bar to lean against the paper edges. Let's see the back side. The corner bar edge and the paper edge same level is correct. But if in this way, the T-bar is out of paper, it is not correct. That is, the paper margin we leave is too narrow in next steps. Of course, if we make smaller covers, we can leave more margins. It depends, but the margin not less than 1.5 cm. Okay, let's lock the margin and try with our cardboard. Along with second mark we have made just now, we make mark on cardboard and we cut here. Okay, I have cut it into correct wide size and then lock the length of cardboard the same way. Leave the margin and make mark and cut extra. Okay, I finished all cut and get these three. 1 for spine, 4.5 cm wide, and 2 for covers. Let's try on the paper. It's like in this way. Now we have ideas of all prepared and the tricks we need to pay attention to. Next steps will be very easy. Use our tape to stick onto the back of the pattern paper. It's really very big size, but it's really very easy to stick. Scrape it, avoid bubble. Remove extra tapers, scrape, and make it more flat. It's really very beautiful. And this side, I'll scrape it. Remove the lace liner. Corner bar stick against the two paper corner and edge. See the back, just against. Cut border against the two corner bar. T-bar against the two cut border. And the spine against the two T-bar. For gap space, we also can use this rectangle bar. It's the same width of 5 mm, but I prefer to use T-bar. We can remove here and against the spine, then the cover against the T-bar. Stick carefully and make stick tightly. Then we can move this wood. Move T-bar. Okay, now we use this corner kit against to the cardboard corner and cut extra paper. Remove and do the same for the 3 ones. Sorry, I forgot to remove the linen paper. Okay, let's move on the next step. Yes, fold the color paper to wrap the card border. It's a very easy steps, so we speed it up. Okay, now we get the covers. It's already very beautiful. I love it. It's very nice paper. I love this travel paper. Then I will decorate the inner side. I will use this paper. It's also very beautiful. The same, I stick a double-sided paper onto the back. Okay, now we got the design paper with glue on the back. Then we check out the size we need. Try onto the cover. See here, we leave about 5 mm for margin. And the same on bottom, make mark and cut extra. Okay, we got the correct size for inner decorate. Remove linen paper and stick. Okay, we got just a fold on the gap line. Very easy and very nice. Very beautiful, huh? It's very beautiful for album or planners, or we can put our book inside. Let's check the size. The wide is 7¼ length is 10½, and the span think is 4½. I made this size is according my design paper. Also, we can make a bigger or smaller according to your prefer. Next, I will add the album spine to make a chef album. People maybe watch many of my videos about album making. They use metal dies, but today we don't use metal dies. Here we see on scoreboard, there are 1 cm each gap. We use 1 cm each. Score it. See? Score on the paper. Let's make more. Totally we need to score 12 lines on paper. Next, we fold on the lines. Let's speed this step. Okay, we cut on the last line. Cut the extra paper. Here we got. We can see clearly the fold way. It comes into 4 U shape. Then we will stick here on the back. and some glue, and stick these two sides together. The same for the others. Solder them. Solder them and make them stick firmly. We can see the U shape. Here's the album spine. We will set it here. On the back, we use the tape. Check out the tape size. This tape is really widely used. We can use for paper craft and photo frame stick, also gift pack, very widely used for many occasions. Okay, we stick onto the back of spine. A little extra, we just fold it and add narrow tape here. We have many kinds of tapes, so no worry about. And stick it onto the cover. Make it stable and firm. Very nice. Next step, we add the inner pages. Confirm the size of inner pages. Cut extras here. Okay, we got these ones. And set the pages onto the spine. Use our tapers. And some glues. And stick the page onto the spine. Okay, one page ready. Same for others. Okay, now we finished all the inner pages and this plan complete. The inner page is very beautiful with puree surface. It's very nice color. I love it. We can use it as a scrapbook, planner, junior, album, or a very nice notebook. We can add more inner pages in it. For example, here we can stick the photo and add tags onto the pages. It will be a very sweet DIY gift for memories. Okay, it's today's tutorial. I hope you love. Thanks for joining. See you next time.